Welcome back. In this video session, we are going to discuss how we can enable the drill down function in application. So let's log in, go to the sample order detail form. Now, first we want to make a drill down function for the product. Okay, so when we are going to make a drill down function, we must have a transaction which will open when you double click on the value. So we already make a simple product form. Now here we have all the products. So what we are going to do, we are going to link this field. So when we double click, the product form should appear. So what are the steps? The first step is open the transaction. Second step is go to lookup and drill down setting. Now we are here. We are on the product itself. So what we need to do, the first thing is a dynamic transaction field which you can leave blank. Second is the dynamic transaction field which you have to select fix. Third is the data type you have to select fix. Fourth is the drill down source from where you are opening, from master or detail. So there is a lot of things are there. So you select detail. Which transaction you want to open? So I want to open product sample form, which is the link field from this transaction to the target transaction. Both place we have a product ID. Now these are the 5 settings which you have to do, like dynamic transaction field is a fixed, data type is fixed, and then the source is detail, and the transaction is product sample form, and these are the source and target field. So let's close it, go back, come back here. Now once you double click here, this form will appear, like the item which you are clicking, that same item will appear with the where clause. So what we have done, we made the first drill down function. Let's go and make it for the employee ID. For employee ID, we have a form with the data with grid picture. Here we are showing all the employees. So we want to open this function with the drill down. So let's go back to, now here the process will change. Here we have to go to the setup form there because we are opening the master. Go back to lookup here. Go back to employee ID. Same thing here. Select fixed. Select fixed. Select the form. So the form, the source is the master. Now it's a data grid with the picture, which is the field is the both place is the employee ID because it's already looked up. Okay. Now once you have done, you enable the system for the drill line in both in master in detail in both transaction. So let's go back. Now if you double click here, you can see this implies opening. If you double click here, okay. Now let's make one more drill down, which is the shipper. Now for the shipper, we will see there is a difference. We'll go to the setup form. Now if you, before we open shipper, let's see the shipper form. Now this is the simple shipment master form is there. Now you can see here the field ID is the shipper ID. I just want to highlight this one. So when we are going to make the drill down for this particular field, if you go here, now here we have, I already made it, okay, just to make things faster. So everything is here. Now here the field is shipped via, and the target field is the shipped ID, because the target form has a different key field. So if you click, close it and double click this one, You can see it's opening. So we can have a dynamically designed drill down function on the multiple level without writing a single line code, and then the system take cares all the events and everything. This is the overall, but this is the simple drill down. There is an advanced drill down also there, which I will discuss in the next video. Thank you.